Good morning students. Welcome to today's class. So last class we have been discussing about chapter 20 substitution in that exercise 20b. So let's discuss homework answers first. Third question, simplify in that third one. 4x plus 3 into 2x minus 5y. Okay, so here multiplication is coming. 3 into 2x minus 5y, and you know how to do this. You have studied this about this in the previous chapter. Okay, so multiply this 3 to 2x and then multiply this 3 to minus 5y. Okay, in that way you can open this bracket. So 4x plus 3 into 2x it is 6x. Okay, now here the sign is minus, so you can put minus sign. Now 3 into 5y, it is 15y. Okay, since multiplication is coming, you have to do like this. Now 4x plus 6x, it is 10x minus 15y. So this is the answer. Okay. Fourth question, 2 into 3a minus b minus 5 into a minus 3b. So, in order to open the first bracket, you have to multiply 2 with the terms. So, 2 into 3a, then 2 into b. Okay, here the sign is minus, so you need to put minus sign between that. So, 2 into 3a, it is 6a. Then minus, here minus sign, that's why here you have to write minus sign. Then 2 into b, that is 2b. Okay, now minus 5, here don't take a 5, minus 5 you need to multiply with the a and 3b. Okay, so minus 5 into a minus 5a. Okay, now minus 5 into minus 3b. Here the sign is minus, so put here minus sign. Then minus 5 into 3b, you will get minus 15b. Okay, this minus we write first. Then minus 5 into 3b, it is minus 15, so that also we write here. Minus 15b. Okay, now 6a minus 2b minus 5a, minus of minus, it is plus. Okay, so plus 15b. Now like terms you can subtract or add. 6a minus 5a, it is a. Minus 2b plus 15b, it is plus 13b. So the answer is a plus 13b. Okay. Fifth question, p plus 2 into q minus r plus p. R plus p is inside a bar bracket. Okay. So first you have to do this. You have to do inside bracket, you have to open first. Okay, so p plus 2 into q, here before this bar bracket the sign is minus. So while opening this bracket you need to change the sign of terms inside bar bracket. So r means it is r plus b. This is inside a bar bracket, so r will change to minus r, p will change to minus p. Plus p will change to minus p. So here you can write minus r minus p. Okay, now you can multiply. Here 2 into q minus r minus p is coming, so you have to do the multiplication. Okay, so 2 you can multiply with the q, then 2 with r, then 2 with the p. So p plus 2 into q, you will get 2q. Here the sign is minus, so put minus sign. Okay, 2 into r, 2r. Here also sign is minus, so put minus sign. 2 into P, 2P. Okay, now adding or subtracting like terms. P minus 2P, it is minus P. So 2Q minus 2R minus P. Okay, P minus 2P, it is minus P. So this is the final answer. Now sixth one, A minus in square bracket minus in curly bracket minus in small bracket A minus, then in bar bracket B minus C. Okay, so here you can see one thing. Inside square bracket curly brackets are coming. Inside curly brackets small brackets are coming. Then inside small bracket bar brackets are coming. So which one you have to open first? Innermost bracket, that is bar bracket, you have to open first. Next you have to open small brackets. Okay, after that curly brackets, then square bracket. Okay, so A minus A, then opening bar brackets. Before this bar bracket it is minus sign. Okay, so if there is a minus sign before a bracket, you need to change the sign of terms. So B minus C will become, B means plus B, so that will change to minus B. Minus C will change to plus C. Okay, so here you can write minus B plus C. Now small bracket is there, curly bracket is there, square bracket is there. Okay, only bar bracket is opened. Next we can open the small brackets. So A minus, then opening this small brackets, here before this bracket also minus sign is coming. So while opening this bracket you need to change the sign of terms. Okay, so A will become minus A. A means it is positive A, that will become minus A. Minus B will become plus B. Plus C will become minus C. So now small brackets are opened, remaining curly brackets and a square bracket. Next which bracket? Curly brackets. Okay. So before curly brackets also minus sign is coming. So while opening curly brackets, you need to change the signs of terms inside this. Okay. So A minus, next minus A will change to plus A. Okay. Now plus B will change to minus B. Okay. Then minus C will change to plus C. Okay. Since there is a minus sign before this curly brackets, you need to change the sign of all the terms inside it. Okay. So you will get A minus, in square brackets, A minus B plus C. Okay. Now before this square brackets also minus sign is coming. So while opening the square bracket, you need to change the sign of terms. Okay. So A, now A means it is positive A, so that will change to minus A. Okay. Minus B will change to plus B. Now plus C will change to minus C. Okay. Now all the brackets are opened. Now you can add or subtract the like terms. So A minus A, it is 0. So that you can cancel. So remaining B minus C. So that is the final answer. B minus C. Okay. Seventh question. 3x minus, in square brackets, 5y minus, then curly brackets, 6y plus 2, in open brackets, 10y minus x. Okay. So while doing this, you need to do the innermost bracket first. So inside square bracket curly brackets is coming, inside curly bracket, small bracket is coming. So first do the small brackets, then curly brackets, then square brackets. Okay, so 3x minus 5y minus 6y. Now curly bracket. Here before the small brackets 2 is coming. A constant 2 is multiplied by 10y minus x. This is what it means. Okay, 2 into 10y minus x. In that 10y minus x in bracket means 2 is multiplied by all the terms inside the bracket. Okay, so first 2 into 10y, that you will get plus 20y. Okay, then 2 into x, but before this sign is minus sign here, so you need to put the minus here. Okay, now 2 into x, it is 2x. So the small brackets are opened. Now remaining curly bracket and a square bracket. Okay, now 3x minus 5y. Now we need to open the curly brackets. So before that bracket minus sign is coming. So what to do? Change the sign of each terms inside the bracket. If there is a minus sign, we need to change the sign of terms. So 6y, that is plus 6y, will change to minus 6y. Plus 20y will change to minus 20y. Minus 2x will change to plus 2x. Okay, now only square brackets is remaining. So before this square bracket, minus sign is coming. So while opening the square brackets, change the sign of terms inside. Okay, so 3x, 5y means plus 5y, so that will change to minus 5y. Minus 6y will change to plus 6y. Minus 20y will change to plus 20y. Plus 2x will change to minus 2x. Okay, now you can do the subtraction or addition of like terms. So 3x minus 2x. So that will be x. 1x you will get, that is x. Now minus 5y plus 6y plus 20y. So minus 5y plus 6y you will get a 1y. Okay. Now 1y plus 20y you will get plus 21y. Okay, 1 plus 20, it is 21. So x plus 21y is the answer. Okay. 8th question, 5 into a square minus a into a minus 2. So here inside curly brackets, small bracket is coming. Inside small bracket, bar bracket is coming. So you need to open bar bracket first, then small bracket, then curly brackets. Okay, so opening the bar bracket. Here, before this minus sign, before bar bracket minus sign is coming. So you need to change the sign of terms inside the bar bracket. So a minus 2 is coming here. So a minus 2. A means positive a and minus 2 is coming. So a will change to minus a. Minus 2 will change to plus 2. So that you can write here. Okay. A minus a plus 2. Now here you can see one thing. A minus a. So that will become 0. A minus a, it is 0. Okay. So 5 into a square minus a, in small brackets it will be 2 only. Okay. A minus a, it is 0, so that you can cancel, remaining 2 only inside a small bracket. Now you can open this small bracket. So a, then in small bracket 2 means a into 2 it is. Okay, bracket always indicates multiplication. So here a into 2 you will get. So 5 into a square minus a into 2, it is 2a. Okay, now you need to open curly brackets. So before this curly bracket, 5 is coming. This means 5 into a square minus 2a. That is 5 is multiplied by all the terms inside the bracket. So 5 into a square, 5 into 2a. Okay, so 5 into a square, you will get a 5a square. Here the sign is minus, so you can put minus sign here. Now 5 into 2a, it is 10a. Okay, so the answer is 5a square minus 10a.